You have sure consumed it, but do you really know its benefits? I'm referring to capsicum, one of the most popular plants consumed and cultivated worldwide, containing approximately 50,000 varieties of pepper. Their fruits, popularly known as peppers or chili, present a varied shape and a wide range of colors. Its popularity in Western civilizations was growing due to their understanding properties. The fruits have been used as pigments, food spices, and in the treatment of stomach disorders and headaches. Later on, their properties were attributed to the abundance of bioactive compounds within the fruits, such as carotenoids, flavonoids, and capsaicinoids. The first two metabolites are also responsible for the attractive colors of peppers, while capsaicinoids attribute a taste characteristics known as pungency. Either as dry powder or an oleresin, these products are used for pharmacological formulations and even in the food or military industry.
Okay, list of plants with in vivo therapeutic purposes according to Decree 326 of 2004. Common name Agi is scientific name Catsiananium, draws fruits, approved use in analgesic for external use, contraindication of warning hypersensitivity to the components of the plant. Children under 12 years of age and pregnancy and lactation do not apply to irritate chapped skin or open wounds. Avoid contact with the eyes and mucous membranes. Avoid contacts on the same area for more than 3 minutes. It is recommended to set one patch per day. Do not live for more than 24 hours. It is not recommended for 3 minutes longer than 2 days. If you observe any unfavorable reaction or symptoms persist, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Keep this product out of the reach of children. In pharmaceutical preparation and solution, hydroalcoholic solution of chili pepper at 15% of 40 milliliters in 100 milliliters of solution. Calcium between 0.5 and 1%. Minus 30 of 2003. In a skin patch, each patch contains extraction of calcium anion and calcium equivalent 4.8 milligrams, 217 milligrams, 11 of 2018. Condition of sale of pharmaceutical preparation is this free sale.
Studies show that capsaicin has potent anti-tumor activity in animal models of lung cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, and gastric cancer. An established model for investigating the anti-cancer activity of compounds in vivo is the nude mouse model. In this experiment, human cancer cells are injected subcutaneously into the flank of immunodeficient nude mice. After acclimatization, the mice were divided into 12 groups consisting of 8 mice. In the treatment group were administered 10 mg of capsaicin per kilogram of body weight dissolved in ethanol by oral gavage. The control group was administered only ethanol. Capsaicin treated mice and corresponding control mice were sacrificed 1, 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours after oral gavage. The lung, liver, blood, and kidney from each mouse were collected and frozen in liquid nitrogen. Then 50 mg of the organ were used to lysate using a lysis buffer. A 100 microgram a liquid of protein was used to measure capsaicin content using the Beacon capsaicin plate kit. Capsaicin was detected in solid form in serum 1 hour after capsaicin administration. The liver, lungs, and kidney contain the highest level of capsaicin 2 hours after oral capsaicin gavage. The lung contain a higher level of capsaicin unchanged from 1 hour to 8 hours after administration. In contrast, no capsaicin was detected in liver, kidney, or serum 8 hours after oral gavage. The results of the study show that the lung metabolizes capsaicin more slowly than the liver or blood. The laboratory is investigating the growth inhibitor effects of capsaicin in human lung cancer. The fact that capsaicin is slowly metabolized in the lung implies that there is a greater amount of unmodified capsaicin that can exert potent antitumor activity in lung tumors. The results of our experiment are believed to relevant to all research working in the field of drugs discovery and cancer.
Eso es todo, amigos.